Good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So you all are eagerly waiting to begin with our classes? But tell me, have you all attended your prayer session properly? आपने prayer की? Very good. Then there were some yoga asanas. आपने वो yoga asanas किए? Did you try practicing them? Did you try them? Very good. So if you have tried, it's really very good. But I can see that some of you have not tried. And how I came to know? I requested your parents to tell me about it. So parents are saying, ma'am, kabhi kiya, kabhi nahi kiya. No, it should not be like that. You have to do your prayer every day, which you are doing. Very good. But some of you are skipping your yoga sessions. Don't skip them. Yoga is always very beneficial to keep us healthy, fit and fine. And you know, yoga also help us in keeping our mind sharp, वो हमें intelligent भी बनाता है and we are able to focus on our studies also. Okay? So please do your prayer and yoga every day. Very good. So now tell me, what is the date today? Yes, today is, can anyone tell me the date? Come on, hurry up, check on the board. Yes, check on the board. Today is 23rd July 2020. So 23rd July 2020. This is the date today. And what is the day? Today is Thursday. Yes, very good. Okay, now tell me which period is this? This is our English period, yes. And what we are doing in English period? क्या कर रहे हैं? Are we writing numbers? No. Are we studying about colors? No. Then what we are doing in English? We are learning about alphabets, yes. So you all know. Now till now we have completed lot of alphabets. You all are practicing it regularly, very good. And with alphabets, try to practice one or two pictures related to those alphabets also. Like for example, if you are practicing L, L for lamb, L for leaf. Then if you are practicing A, you can practice arrow, axe, apple. So, which letter you are practicing? With the same letter, try to draw and color pictures also related to that alphabet. Clear? So now tell me which alphabet we have completed in our previous class. जो previous class हुई थी उसमें हमने कौन सा alphabet finish किया था? We have learnt about M. Yes, M for monkey. Okay, M for mango. M for moon. M for mouse. M for milk. Then we have M for mug. You have drawn that picture in your notebook also. So M for mug. Anything which we are forgetting that starts with M? Yes, anything anyone wants to share? M for mixer. Something new I am telling you about. That is mixer. And you know what is a mixer? Ask your mama. She is having a mixer in the kitchen. So ask your mama what is mixer and for what she is using it. Okay. Now moving towards our today's alphabet. So which alphabet we are going to learn about? Alphabet W. What is this? W. Now all of you say with me W. This is alphabet W. Okay. So can you identify any of the pictures which I have drawn here on board? I have drawn lot of pictures here. तो क्या आप identify कर सकते हो which picture are these? Yes, any picture you can tell me about. Okay, we'll take one by one all the pictures. Okay, the first one is this. Yes, you all are very fond of wearing it. सबको पसंद है ना? मम्मा मुझे भी बेंटेन वाली वॉच लाके दो. So what is this? It's a watch. Now kids, when we are saying watch, just look at the lip movement. मैम के lip movement check करो. Watch. तो मैम की जो lips हैं वो ओ में फॉर्म हो गई ओ, वो, वॉक। तो जो हम W से रिलेटेड, W अल्फाबेट से रिलेटेड हम कोई भी पिक्चर या कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम बोलते हैं तो व्हाट साउंड इज कमिंग आउट? व। सो व्हेन व इज कमिंग आउट हमारी लिप्स जो है वो O की फॉर्मेशन बनाती हैं एंड द एयर जो हवा है वो बाहर की तरफ थ्रो करती है, लाइक व, वॉच, व। ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस? It's a picture of watch. So how I'm going to write? I'm going to start with W. So this is watch. Okay. So this is watch. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes. I give you some hints to identify. If you are going out to any of the picnic spot, आप किसी पिकनिक के लिए जाते हो, any of the farm house, तो वहाँ पे आप देखते हो बुलक कार्ट, हॉर्स कार्ट यानी बैलगाड़ी, घोड़ा गाड़ी देखी है आपने? या if you are going in marriages, आप किसी शादी में जाते हो, so you have seen जिसकी शादी में जाते हैं लाइक जो हमारे ब्राइडग्रूम होते हैं, जो दूल्हे होते हैं, they sit on a horse cart. एक वो हॉर्स कार्ट होती है जिसमें बैठते हैं. So that cart is having this. उसमें ऐसा गोल गोल होता है. So what is this? Can you tell me? It's a wheel. Yes, it's a wheel. Wheel. So now when we are saying wheel, again see wheel. So again जब W की sound है w, wheel. How we are saying wheel. So again the lip formation is making an O. Lips O से बनती हैं, O formation आती है lips में and the air is thrown out and we say wheel. So I'm going to write that name here now. It is wheel. Okay, now moving to this picture. What is this? We all have in our house. हम सबके घर में होती है ये, बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. It helps in bringing fresh air और curtains भी लगाते हैं and we have this in our classroom also. So can you tell me what is this? It's a window. Again I am saying window. So can you see window? Is coming out. So we have a window like this और हम क्या करते हैं? We used to put curtains. जब हमें fresh air की need होती है in the morning and evening time, we remove the curtains. Daytime जब बहुत तेज sun होता है, so we put the curtains and that is window. So again say window. So when we are saying window, again verb is coming from our mouth. Verb sound is coming. Window. So W for window. This is window. Now, what is this? I'll tell you about this picture in the last. What is this? When we feel thirsty, हमें बहुत गर्मी लग रही है, and we are feeling thirsty. What we drink? आप स्कूल में बॉटल में लेकर आते हो. What is that? Water. Yes, you drink water when you feel thirsty. So water is always starting with W. Water. So this is water. Yes. So I'm going to write it again here. Water. Okay. What is this? Can you tell me which fruit is this? This is the whole fruit and this is a part of it. Red from inside, we have black seeds in it. It is green outer covering. Which fruit is this? It comes in summer season only. Watermelon, yes. So this is water. I told you when we are spelling water, जब हम उसको बोल रहे हैं, when we are pronouncing it, water. So again, what sound is coming? Water. And now for this, watermelon. So which sound is coming? W. That means the sound of alphabet W is W. Sound of alphabet W is W. So this is watermelon. And write it here. to make different rooms. हमारी क्लास भी ऐसी बनी हुई है. So can you see this? What is this? हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? What is this? हमारा बोर्ड किस पे हैंग हो रहा है? वॉल पे. Yes. So it's a wall. दीवार, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? दीवार. अब घर होता है तो we have walls. हर रूम में वॉल होती है. दीवार ही रूम को एक रूम से अलग करती है ना? We have bedroom, we have drawing room. तो वो दोनों रूम्स को अलग किसने किया? एक दीवार ने. And what is that दीवार? It's a wall. So what we call it? Wall. Brick से बनाते हैं ना? So ma'am has drawn bricks here. ये क्या है? Brick. Eat. So it's a wall. Again, when we are saying wall, what sound is coming? Wall. So I'll write wall here. Okay. Now moving to our last picture. What is this? क्या है ये? Now I can refer a poem also. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Jill came tumbling after. आपको याद है ये poem? So Jack और Jill water fetch करने कहाँ जाते हैं? Well पे. Yes, so it's a well. You remember there was a picture with this poem जिसमें Jack और Jill कहाँ जाते हैं? To a well. And what for what? To fetch a pail of water. एक bucket पानी लेने जाते हैं. And what happened? Jack गिरता है, tumble down कर जाता है और उसके पीछे Jill भी tumble out कर जाती है. Okay? So it's a well. Well means कुआं. कुएं से हम क्या लेते हैं? पानी. Understood everyone? So it's a well. Well. Now, how we have to write this alphabet W in our notebook? Can anyone tell me? This is the 4-line notebook we have. Can anyone tell me how we have to trace this alphabet? We use 3 lines. Red line and the 2 blue lines to write this alphabet. Okay? Now I am going to tell you how you have to trace this alphabet in your 4-line notebooks. See here everyone. So we are going to start writing our alphabet from this point. जो ऊपर वाला red line होता है उस point से हम इसको begin करते हैं, start करते हैं. Okay? How we start? First we bring a slanting line. और वो slanting line कौन सी line को touch करेगी? It will touch the lower blue line. Lower मतलब नीचे वाले blue line को touch करेगी. अब इस point से ही यहाँ से blue line से वापस हमें ऊपर red line पे जाना है. Like this. Then again we will come back down and we'll go back again. This is how we write our alphabet W. अब मैम ने आपको बार-बार chalk remove करके बताया है. Now you have to write without removing your pencil. And how we are going to do that? See here. From here we started. Right darker. यहाँ पे नीचे तक आए. Then went up, come down, go up again, and show again. Down, up, down, up. So like this we trace our alphabet W. Clear everyone? Okay. Now what is the work to be done today? So you have understood alphabet W? Have you understood it or not? I'll just repeat all the pictures which we have learned about alphabet W. So what we have learned? We have learned alphabet W. And what is the sound of W? W. What is the sound of W? It's W. So, well. Well means कुआं. Window. खिड़की कहते हैं ना उसको window. What is this? Watch. As ma'am is wearing one, so it's a watch. What's this? Wheel. Water. You all drink water? Yes. And what is this? It's watermelon. Okay, what is this? Wall. Wall. Can you tell me one color which starts with W? and pasting in cloud, तो कौन सा कलर किया था? White. Yes. So white color is also begins with W. Okay. अब बारिश का मौसम चल रहा है, कभी बारिश होती है तो ठंडी ठंडी हवा भी होती है. So what we call हवा in English, हवा को क्या कहते हैं? Wind. Wind. हवा को क्या कहते हैं? Wind. Cold wind is going. Cold wind चल रही है ना? We say that ना, हवा चल रही है. Wind is blowing. क्या हो रहा है? Wind is blowing. Yes. Anything else from W you can tell me? Try once. Okay. हम पार्क में जाते हैं, दादा दादी जाते हैं, तो पार्क में हम लोग खेलते हैं. एल्डर्स आपने देखा है व्हाट दे डू? वॉक. अब मैम आपको कहती है मेक अ लाइन एंड गो आउट. मैम कहती है डोंट रन, वॉक स्लोली. वॉक मीन्स चलना. वॉक मीन्स चलना. लाइक मैम इज वॉकिंग हियर, मैम चल रहे हैं. एंड वॉक ऑल्सो बिगिंस विद W. Clear everyone about all the things which we have learned related to letter W. Okay. So now I am going to tell you how you have to do this work in your notebook. Okay. So open your notebook and let's see how we have to do this work in our notebook. Open your English notebook and start your work with the date first. So today is 23rd July 2020 and this is your homework. So you will write homework as HW. Clear everyone? How you have to write your homework? As HW. And we are going to trace alphabet W. So like this. Now the first thing is to draw a picture. So there are a lot of pictures which I have shown you in the beginning. You can draw any picture. So I am going to draw a wheel and a wall. So first is, see, make a circle like this. You can use any circle or round shape object and can trace it also. And again one small circle here. And from here you have to make some spokes like this. As we have in wheel. Clear everyone? Or you can draw a wall. How you can do that? Just make a small rectangle here. Draw some lines like this. And after that make these standing lines to form the look of bricks like this. So we have two objects, wheel and wall. Clear everyone? Now how you have to write this alphabet? See here. We are going to start from this point. रेड लाइन जो ऊपर वाले रेड लाइन पे एक पॉइंट ड्रॉ किया है मैम ने, डॉट बनाई है. फ्रॉम देयर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वील कम डाउन, अगेन अप, कम डाउन एंड गो अप अगेन. सो लाइक दिस. Make sure you have to touch the lines. All these 3 points will touch the red line and both these 2 points will touch this blue line. Is that clear? आप red line से पहले you will come down. From this blue line you will go up till red line. फिर again you will come down and again you will go up. Clear all? So you have understood how you have to write alphabet W in your notebook and draw a picture, any picture related to alphabet W as I have shown you in notebook. And the work in notebook is your homework. So what is your classwork today? For classwork you have to do page number 62. So book page number and the notebook work is your homework. Okay? So complete your work and get ready for the next class. Bye.